Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can give your team members on Notion the permission to edit, for example, databases and pages really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. Head over to your workspace on Notion here in the top left corner. And here on the left hand side, you will see a list of all your team spaces with the associated pages and databases. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to your team spaces settings. You can do that by clicking on these three dots next to the given team space, and by selecting team space settings. And here in the team space member section, you will see a section called permissions below. So simply click on that arrow down icon next to the team space members and simply assign permissions. Like for example, full access, can only comment, can only view, can edit. And as you can see, guys, if you'd like to give your team space members the permission to also edit, suggest, and comment, you will need access to a premium account here on Notion. Otherwise, guys, you may leave it, for example, at can comment, can view, or leave it at full access, for example. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.